I'm an all-star and I got no time to converse. Niggas talking crazy, I'ma put them in the arm rush like Machiavelli in my bomb first. Y'all niggas don't want war, y'all niggas better walk forward if you try to step, nigga. I don't think so. What I rep is the brain sick, nigga. You wasn't on that type of shit, nigga. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Watch your mouth for how you come to me. I'm a true MC. Lyrically, I divide all beats, divide all time, nigga. I'ma kill you with all rhymes that'll come from my mind. Organized, spitting no written. I don't give a fuck all day. I'm brain sick, nigga. You best get on my level, y'all can't top it. 24/7, y'all can never stop this. How I flow, monotonous. I drop this hot ass flow that hit you like acid, kid. I put my foot in your ass, chuck in the grass, nigga. I'm about my cash, nigga. So what the fuck we talking about? And Marco, that you go keep my name out your mouth.